Yes guys, welcome back to another YouTube video on the channel. What's happening on this bright bank holiday Monday morning? Today I'll be filming the tow truck. Obviously, I'm getting rid of this car. Looks like a heap of scrap, to be honest. We're shifting it to take it to the scrap yard. It is currently somewhat past 11 in the morning, but yeah, I'm out with my mates, so I just thought this would be good for the YouTube vlog. We're on almost close, as you can see. Beautiful surroundings. Take a look. Take a look at this vlog if you want to. I just thought I'd do more of a vlogging experience today. I normally go around filming myself doing daft stuff, but today I just thought I'd do a vlog. There's enough of me whittering on, just crack on with the video. Oh, and I forgot to mention, please make sure, if you can, I want to try and hit 100 subscribers by the end of this year. So I want us to have at least, I want us to hit like 200 subscribers by the end of this year. So yeah, it's cool. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and yeah, let's just get on with it. Yeah, I know, it's really high, isn't it? Make sure it falls off. Do you want to be in the YouTube vlog or not? I'm not, I didn't get you in. What? I didn't get you in. What? I didn't get you in. Yeah. Did I? Yeah. I'll cut that bit out then I'll put it on. Just look how many flat tyres are on this car. Near enough the whole car's got a flat. Oh, near enough.
Oh my god, he's in.
Near enough the whole car. One sec.
Yeah, these guys don't go.
Huh? Is he?
Yeah.
Is he?
Yeah. And our person who's driving it is really good. There he is.
That's probably his reveal.
I bet why he's got flat tyres because he accidentally. I know why there's flat tyres.
That's it.